Harvest time again, guys. We have patula here and also above. Very big already, guys. So we're going to harvest them. Also some okra here and some pechay. Let's harvest, guys. Yun. Medyo mahirap tanggalin. Meron pa dito, guys. Isa pa doon, guys. Oh, hirap tanggalin. Isa pa doon, guys. Guys, apply ng 3 pieces again, guys. Let's plant, guys, and have free food. Then we will share this, guys, again to our friends. And some okra, guys. Dun, 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 dun. Let's plant, guys, and have free food. Then we'll get some pechay, guys. We'll give to our friends. Here's our harvest for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Let's plant, guys, and have free food. Tan, 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 tan.